Good morning, students. This is the second video of chapter 9, mensuration. Again, today I am going to discuss about area and perimeter of some figure. So today I am going to discuss about trapezium and rhombus. What is a trapezium? When two sides are parallel, it is called a trapezium. So in this figure, A, B, C, D, it is a trapezium where L1 and L2 are the length of its parallel sides and H is its height. So area of a trapezium is equal to half into L1 plus L2 into H. In other words, we can say that half into sum of the parallel sides into height is the area of the trapezium. By using this formula, let us solve one question. The question is, this is a question from exercise 9.2. The question is, area of trapezium that is equal to 180 centimeter square. Its height is equal to 12 centimeter. One parallel sides is double the other. So find two parallel sides. One parallel side is double that of the other. So we assume that let the parallel sides are one is x, other is 2x. Now by using the formula we can say that half into sum of the parallel sides. First side is x, second one is 2x, into height. Height is equal to 12 given. That is equal to area. Area is equal to 180 centimeter square. Now we cancel 2 and 12. So we will have 6. X plus 2x is equal to 3x into 6 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 upon 3 into 6. When it comes to right side, it will be the denominator 60, 10. So x equal to 10. In the first line, we assume that the parallel sides are x and 2x. So the parallel sides are, therefore, parallel sides are, first one is 10 centimeter and second one is 2x. That means 2 into 10, 20 centimeter. This is the use of area of trapezium. Now we consider another question where area of rhombus is required. Area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are the diagonals. Diagonals AC and BD are the diagonals. We know that in a rhombus, all the sides are equal and the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So in this figure, angle O is equal to 90 degree and all the sides are equal. So with the help of this property and this formula, we solve another question. Again, this is from exercise 9.2. Perimeter of a rhombus is 100 centimeter. One diagonal is equal to 40 centimeter. Find the length of other diagonal and the area of the rhombus. So what are given here? Perimeter of a rhombus. So just now I am telling you, in a rhombus all sides are equal. So one side is equal to perimeter upon 4. It has 4 sides, all are equal. So one side is equal to perimeter upon 4, which is equal to 25 centimeter. If I consider this figure, we assume that all the sides A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, all are sides. So we assume that AB is equal to 25 centimeter and AO is equal to AO, that is half of the diagonal AC. One diagonal 40 centimeter given. So we assume that AC is equal to 40. So AO is equal to half into 40, which means 20 centimeter. Now if I consider this triangle, and this triangle, I am just drawing this triangle roughly. A, B, O, angle O is equal to 90 degree, AO is equal to 20 centimeter, AB is equal to 25 centimeter. We want to find out OB by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is used in case of right angle triangle, and the theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can say that OB square is equal to AB square minus AO square. AB is 25 square minus 20 square. 25 square is equal to 625 minus 400, that is equal to 225. Therefore, OB is equal to under root of 225, which is equal to 15 centimeter. If I consider the original figure, if OB is equal to 15 centimeter, then what is the length of other diagonal? That is BD. BD is equal to 15 into 2, 30 centimeter. So therefore, BD, that is equal to 2 into BO. BO is equal to 15, so 2 into 15, that is equal to 30 centimeter. So there are two questions. First question is find the length of the other diagonal. Other diagonal is equal to 30 centimeter. And what is its area? Area is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So the first diagonal is equal to 40 centimeter, and the second diagonal is equal to 30 centimeter. So 2 600 centimeter square is its area. So in this way we can use area of rhombus and area of trapezium. That's all for today. Thank you, class.